throwing your body with them. You're not a Viking. You're not my son.
Preach it to the choir.